make sure you're in the editing mode of your form. If you aren't in the editing mode, it would look like this. And there usually appears a pencil up here, and you click on that pencil and then you get to the editing mode. To look at the responses to your form, you click on Responses. And on the first page, you'll see a summary of responses from everyone who did respond and their responses as a collective. To see individual responses, one response at a time, click on the Individual Response button, and you can see the individual responses from individual students. To see each individual response, you click on the right or left arrow to switch to a different response. If you did not have a name question on your form, it may have recorded people's emails. If you do not see their emails, then you will have to assume that every response is anonymous. And that is all. Please raise your hand if you have any questions.